Everyone asks for a happy life. Everyone prays for success, peace, and comfort. But no one asks for problems. And yet, problems visit every life, rich or poor, young or old, strong or weak. This is not the story of a perfect man. This is the story of someone who learned that problems are not the end of life. They are the beginning of strength. In a small village surrounded by dusty roads, green fields, and quiet mornings, lived a man named Ramesh. Ramesh was not famous. He was not rich. He was not powerful. He was just an ordinary man who wanted an ordinary life. Every morning before sunrise, Ramesh woke up, washed his face at the village hand pump, and walked toward the fields where he worked as a daily laborer. His hands were rough, his clothes were old, and his income was just enough to survive. Still, he smiled. He believed life would get better someday, but life had different plans. One year the crops failed. The rains came late, and when they came, they destroyed more than they helped. Work became rare. Food became expensive. Debts started piling up. Ramesh borrowed money to feed his family. Just one bad year, he told himself. Things will improve. But they didn't. Every night he lay awake, listening to his children breathing beside him, wondering how he would arrange food the next day. This was his first big problem. As if money problems were not enough, Ramesh fell sick. His body, already tired from years of hard work, gave up. Fever, weakness, and pain made it impossible for him to work. No work meant no money. No money meant more fear. People in the village started talking. Bad luck follows him, some said. His life is full of problems, others whispered. Ramesh heard everything, but he stayed silent. One evening, tragedy struck. His father, who had always guided him quietly, passed away. There was no warning, no last advice, no final goodbye. Ramesh stood beside the burning pyre, feeling something break inside him. For the first time in his life, he asked himself, why me? He had worked honestly. He had harmed no one. Then why so many problems? That night, for the first time, Ramesh cried. Not loudly, but deeply. A few days later, Ramesh met an old man sitting under a banyan tree near the village temple. The old man watched him for a long time and said gently, "You look tired, not just in body, but in your soul." Ramesh said nothing. The old man continued, "Tell me, what do you think problems mean?" Ramesh replied bitterly, "They mean life is unfair." The old man smiled. "No," he said. "Problems mean life is training you." Ramesh looked confused. The old man explained, "When gold is put into fire, it doesn't burn. It becomes pure. When muscles feel pain, they don't break. They grow stronger. Problems are the same." Then he added one powerful line. "A life without problems creates weak people. A life with problems creates strong ones." Those words stayed in Ramesh's mind. Ramesh did not suddenly become rich. His problems did not disappear overnight, but something changed inside him. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" he started asking, "What is this teaching me?" He began doing small things, learning new skills when work was not available, saving even the smallest amount, helping others even when he had little, staying disciplined instead of hopeless. Slowly, opportunities appeared. A contractor noticed his honesty. A small job became regular work. Health improved with time and care. Life was still hard, but Ramesh was stronger. Years later, Ramesh was no longer a daily laborer. He ran a small supply business in the nearby town. Not big, not luxurious, but stable. People who once pitied him now respected him. One day, a young boy asked him, "Uncle, how did you succeed despite so many problems?" Ramesh smiled and said, "I didn't succeed despite my problems. I succeeded because of them. Problems are not punishments, they are lessons. Problems do not come to destroy you, they come to prepare you. If life is difficult right now, remember this: storms don't last forever. Pain is temporary. Strength is permanent. Your problems are shaping a stronger version of you, even if you can't see it yet." If this story touched your heart, Share it with someone who needs a reminder to look within. Subscribe, stay inspired, and never forget, the greatest change begins inside you.